Jai Sri Krishna. In Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.18, the great sages requested to Sūta Goswami that please narrate to us the transcendental pastime of a Supreme God and his multi-incarnations, such auspicious, adventurous, and pastime of the Lord, and how the Supreme Controller are performed by his internal power, and how he is controlling all these activities in the material world. So here it is mentioned like this: Akankhya hare dhimam avatar katha subha lila vivadhatah swairam visrasyatam maya. It means here the purport is for creation, maintenance, and destruction of the material world. The Supreme Personality of Godhead Himself appear in many thousands forms of His incarnation. The special adventures found in those transcendental forms are all auspicious, both those present during such activities and those who hear the transcendental narration of such activities are equally benefited. So what did it mention in this verse is, if you hear the transcendental narration of the God activities during his incarnation, then you will be benefited, and you should learn what should be do and what not to do. Jai Jagannath, Jai Sri Krishna.